Alright, what is going on? Welcome to the channel. Special V12 video for you guys here today. This is something I've never attempted before. V11 could never make this cut turn. It would always get stuck in that median, and because there's no stop sign here, it would just proceed. V12 stopped. I love how it just figured that out. Alright, here we go with the left turn. And I have it navigated to get me to the mall right here, Dulles Mall. So let's see if it could just take me all the way here. Here we go with the left turn with the broken yellow line. And let's see, it should be able to make this left all on its own. Very nice job, natural movement there. It did a really great job with that. Yeah, so we're just trying to make it over to the mall real quick, and I'm just gonna check the charger situation out, like to see if it's available. I tend to go plug in real quick for a couple hours. If it's not, so be it. I'm at 89%. It's not really necessary. But here we go. We're gonna cross over this intersection here, and this is, version 12.3. This is, end-to-end AI doing its thing here. And so far, 0 takeovers. It's already been able to accomplish things that version 11 has never been able to do for me. Really great job waiting for this car. I like how it's creeping. And nice job executing and not hesitating and floating in the middle of that intersection. Here we need to actually turn right, but it's going left. I'm gonna let it do its thing. It looks like the chargers are taken anyways, but I do have it plugged in to take me to the charger. So let's see what it does. This is the Dulles Mall here in Loudoun County, for anyone familiar with the area. Look how it turned into the parking lot. It's really aware that it's in a parking lot, and it's making, moves and moving at a great speed, and I'm really impressed by that. And yeah, they actually got some chargers over here at the Macy's. I like to swing by once in a while to see if one's available. And if it is, I usually go ahead and grab it. And it looks like both of them are taken right now. So FSD sees that it's taken, and it drove away from it. Just kind of cool. But now the question is, what does it do? I wonder if it's gonna try to park itself, which would be incredible. So I've been waiting to see it try to do that. It did it at my job. I didn't know what it was trying to do, and it just went and just parked itself out of nowhere. So yeah, it's like, looks like it's kind of scanning and doing its thing right now. I'm not sure what it's trying to do. So let's see, I've got to my destination. It's right behind me. I wonder if it's gonna hit like a U-turn. Now it sees another car coming, so here it goes with the U-turn now. Alright, getting right back into the lane where the chargers are. Very interesting. Alright, so we are here. This is our destination. Now, what is it going to do? Is it going to try to park? Oh, I wish that was one of the people pulling out of the charger. That would have been epic. But it doesn't have like a very clear parking spot. Actually, there are no spots open over here, so let's see. I wonder what it does. Looks like it's gonna go left. And let's see, now it looks like it's gonna try to take this next cut. What it's doing now, it looks like it's just going in circles. Okay, maybe it sees there's a better entrance over here. I wonder what it's doing at this point. Alright, what happens if I just end trip? Alright, let's hopefully go around the Brinks truck, not cause any issues there. Alright, so it didn't really do much as far as the parking itself. Let's see. Campos Furniture. Campbell's Furniture. Campos Furniture. Okay, that's right next door here. Okay, so let's test this out now. I've got it in the navigation. It's literally right there. What is it gonna do when it gets me there? Is it gonna park the car? Is it gonna just pull up to the front and just drop me off at the front, like where the location is, which is normally what FSD used to do? So let's find out. Here we go with the right turn. Oh, I think it missed it. Oh no, okay, so this I guess is the Campos Furniture entrance. So it did actually take me to the right spot. Nice job with that. Now, I've seen it did park me by itself once already. I don't know how it decided to do that. It didn't park where I wanted to park because it's not psychic, obviously. So I'm trying to test it out here again to see maybe it'll go ahead and try to park itself somewhere. And I'm really interested to see that. Here we go. So, you know, it took me exactly to the front door of the place, which is pretty cool. So it says hit the accelerator to continue. So we're gonna hit the accelerator and see if FSD just proceeds, and it should. All right, I'm gonna give it one more shot here to see if it will try to circle back around the parking lot and maybe take a spot. Let's see, it's very hesitant. You can see the scribble lines that it's making on the visualization. Very detailed compared to V11. Be nice to see it just park right here to the right. I got someone coming here. Okay, it stopped last second, but it did stop. All right, it did miss like a ton of spots. You know, it's you versus the AI when it comes to parking. Who can find the spot first and better? So, you know, it's just gonna circle you around the parking lot till you're ready to take over and just go ahead and park the car. It looks to be that is the solution currently. But I am testing it and just letting it do its thing here and see what it's about to do, if it's about to do anything. And it seems to just be scanning the parking lot, probably collecting data for future auto park updates. Here we go again, circling back around one more time. And we'll give it one more shot. We'll even let it take the handicap spot if it does on accident. Nope, nothing. Alright, one last try here. And if not, I'm just gonna go ahead and take over. And it rolled by the parking spots once again. Alright, I want to thank everyone for watching this. FSD 12 is here, and it's amazing, and it's very human-like, and it's pretty much a personal chauffeur that's going to take you to the front of the door of wherever you ask it to. So yeah, hit that like button if you enjoyed this video. Thanks again for watching, and I hope you have a great rest of your day.